Not for the first time, the maverick pass a remark or make a comment that rile up a whole heap of people. The latest one is that the modern West Indian cricketers lack the cerebral discipline to concentrate and apply themselves to perform in Test cricket and ODI cricket. But the mere mention of the word cerebral, people say we are called West Indian people dunce and we are called black people dunce and blah, blah, blah. Not like that. West Indian players actually should get credit for being the first set of players to adopt them game and their mentality to specializing in T20 cricket, obviously, because they make 10 times as much money as they would playing Test cricket. That is cerebral sharpness and astute decision making, not dunceness. Lacking the cerebral discipline to concentrate for long periods in cricket is actually a conditioned action of the mind based on the fact that they no longer have to do it. West Indians have always been explosive and athletic specimens, from Garfield Sobers to Clive Lloyd to Viv Richards. But back in the day, there was no T20 cricket for those players to get rich off. So Viv Richards and company had no choice but to temper their natural aggressive instincts while developing the discipline and the patience to play good, successful Test match cricket. Them youth nowadays no have to do that. Just slam bam, thank you mom, and them rat the rich and famous. So when you hear people a wonder and a ponder and a squander about how come West Indies so good at T20 and so worthless at ODI and Test cricket, it is simple common sense. Human beings make the choices they need to in order to survive. And that is what the modern West Indian cricketer is doing, to the detriment of the West Indies Test team. Now, if cerebrally you cannot understand and appreciate that, then who are the dons? Who are the dons? You are the dons!